how to enable advanced features on YouTube. Make sure to watch the video until the end so you don't make any mistake. So first, go to youtube.com, and here go ahead and go to your videos on the left side over here. Now, here, just simply go ahead and go to the settings down below. Now, over here, you could just simply go ahead and go to the channel right over here, and you will have an option over here, feature eligibility. So guys, this next step is the most important thing, so make sure to pay attention. So first, we have the standard features, which you just need to upload YouTube, create playlists, and now once you have unlocked this, you will have the intermediate feature, which you just need to verify your phone number. Now, next up is the advanced feature. So to unlock this, you could just simply go ahead and select access features right over here, and you will have multiple options. You could either take a 6-second video of yourself, take a photo of your ID, or build history as you grow. So guys, the most fastest way is taking a 6 video of yourself, or if you don't mind taking a long time, you can just simply select this one over here. But for this video, I will take a 6-second video of myself, select next, and select get email. And right after that, an email will be sent to you, or you could scan the QR code over here so you could proceed with the instructions into your phone. After you scan the QR code, it will redirect you to this link. And from here, you just have to give permission to Google that you are willing to take a video of your face and select I agree. And you will have some tips over here to make this process successful. So from here, you just simply go ahead and select next. And after that, just simply select allow while visiting the site to open up your camera. And once you have followed all of the instructions, it will take at least 24 hours for Google to approve it.